So here's a little instructional video on setting up and using the sound and music in the limo. So under here, there's charging ports, iPhone and Android, and there is an HDMI cable that plugs into the HDMI port there. If this gets broken off, Mike has an extra up front, and he also has an extra of these cables that we can replace because it's in a weird place. And then we're going to press and hold for about 2 seconds the red button on the side, and it's hard to see it nighttime. There we go. And we're going to get the Kano logo there. And I don't think we can see it. Oh, the TV might not be powered on yet, but it's linked from this HDMI cable. We're going to log in. The pin is 1175. And we're going to use VLC media player, which is this icon, and media open folder. If you just hit select folder, which it defaults to the correct folder, select folder, and that'll just bring up everything that's downloaded onto the device. And you can use the fast forward button here to skip to the next song. There's lots of Latino pop that you can skip past. And then if we hit media, open file, you can scroll through the music and select a song one at a time. So let's just say Camila Cabella. There you go, and then you can media, open file, and oh, there we go, levitate. So there you have it. Up top, this red cable is the sound in from the little TV. And I don't have power on back here, but if you unplug this, but you leave the little steel dongle, like that, and then you plug this pink dongle in and press and hold the middle button, that will put on Bluetooth, and I think it's called BT receiver. You can just sync it to your Bluetooth on the phone, and it will allow multiple phones to sync, so you can pass the music around, and whoever starts the music most recently will just take over. That's actually kind of cool. And you can control the volume with the volume knob on the head unit. All right.
Seems like I'm forgetting something, but
They'll manage.
I got about all the claw in there, and it's a tree mix.
That's perfect.
If they drink any, that's what they'll drink.
Nope. And if they, I mean, they're going to a winery. They're just not going to drink that much. But if they want more, there's convenience stores everywhere. So, all right, Mike. Thank you. I didn't see anybody with glitter on.
Somebody had glitter last night.
Oh yeah, and it got on everything.
Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. It'll take a couple vacuums. I got 90% of it probably.
I have no idea.
And it's big glitter. You know how you that little tiny stuff? This is about twice the size of the normal glitter.
Well, that should make it a little easier to clean up.
Yeah, it came up pretty good.
Yeah. Was there fireball all over the floor?
A little bit, not bad.
Okay. All right.
No, I've seen it worse than that before. It wasn't that hard.